is Athira Jain and I'm from the International Institute of Hotel Management Bangalore, and I'm part of the top 13 students selected from campuses all across India to be part of the most awaited event, which is the IIHM Euro Wine Tour 2022. I could not be more grateful towards IIHM, and I'm super excited to fly to Europe to visit the most exquisite wine producing regions such as Alba, Burgundy, Beaujolais, etc. to learn about the wine making processes from the picking of the grapes to the bottled and finished product. We'd also be learning about wine and food pairings such as caviar, champagne, etc. I'd like to thank Mr. Keith Edgar, Mr. Suborna Bose, and Ms. Sanchari Chowdhury for curating this once in a lifetime opportunity for me and for making this happen for all of us. Thank you and have a nice day.
IIHM.
For a great hospitality career, call 98310 50,000.